Elephants kill around 500 humans each year. These incidents usually happen when elephants feel threatened, stressed, or are protecting their young, as they can become highly defensive in these situations. In areas where human populations and elephant habitats overlap, conflicts arise when elephants raid crops or come too close to villages. Despite being gentle and social animals, elephants are extremely powerful, and when provoked or startled, they can cause fatal injuries through trampling or charging. Male elephants in Masth, a period of heightened aggression due to elevated testosterone, are particularly unpredictable, increasing the risk of attacks.